Let's be honest. Grooming your pet at home can often feel like you're preparing for a battle you're not sure you can win. Wrestling with a squirmy, wet dog in the bathroom, getting covered in hair, and spending what feels like forever trying to get them fully dry, it's exhausting. But what if there was a better way? Upgrading your home with the right grooming and drying equipment can transform this chore into a calm, quick, and even enjoyable routine. We have the top 5 pieces of equipment that can revolutionize your pet care, from automatic drying boxes to all-in-one grooming vacuums. But first, make sure to use our links in the description, because they're going to take you to the latest discounts on every product we talk about. Let's get into the top 5 pet grooming and drying tools on Amazon right now. We'll start with a product that is a total game changer for post-bath time, the automatic pet dryer box for cats and small dogs. We're getting this show on the road in the hands-free grooming domain with this innovative white dryer box. The concept is brilliant. Instead of chasing your pet around with a noisy dryer, you simply place them inside this 71-liter capacity box. It uses gentle, ultra-quiet airflow with smart temperature control and 360-degree drying to thoroughly and safely dry your pet. This takes all the stress out of the process for both of you. Your pet can relax in a contained space while the machine does all the work, and you're free to do something else. For pet owners of small dogs or cats who dread the post-bath battle, this automatic dryer box provides a level of peaceful, efficient functionality that feels like a professional grooming service right in your own home. Next, let's look at a fantastic space-saving version of that concept, the foldable automatic pet dryer box. This model takes the same core idea, a safe, enclosed drying space, and adds incredible practicality. When you're done, it folds down flat for easy storage in a closet or under a bed, making it perfect for apartments or homes with limited space. Don't let the compact design fool you. It's packed with 8 high-velocity fans and offers 360-degree drying with precise temperature control, 4-speed settings, and a built-in timer. This stands out against bulky, permanent appliances and gives you the full power of a pet dryer without sacrificing your precious square footage. For the savvy pet owner who wants all the benefits of an automatic dryer but needs the flexibility to put it away, this foldable model is a remarkably smart and convenient solution. Now for those dealing with the constant struggle of pet hair everywhere, we have the Uproot Clean Pet Groomer Vacuum Kit. If shedding is your primary enemy, this 7-in-1 system is where your battle truly begins. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a complete grooming station. It comes with specialized attachments that brush, detangle, de-sheet, trim, and clean your pet, all while the powerful vacuum suction immediately captures the loose hair directly into the canister. This means the hair goes into the vacuum bag, not onto your floor, furniture, or back into the air. It's a total game changer for managing shedding season and keeping your home clean. For any owner of a heavy shedding breed like a Husky, Golden Retriever, or Maine Coon cat, this grooming vacuum kit is an indispensable tool that tackles the root cause of pet hair in your home. Building on that all-in-one concept with even more versatility, we have the One-a-Sol Dog Vacuum and Dryer. This 8-in-1 grooming kit pushes the multi-tool idea even further. It combines a powerful vacuum groomer with an adjustable speed and temperature control blower, and it even includes metal blade pet clippers. Imagine being able to give your pet a full groom, brushing out loose undercoat, trimming problem areas, and then drying them, all with one central device. This level of versatility streamlines your entire grooming routine and optimizes storage, since you don't need 5 different tools. We have to conclude that for the dedicated pet owner who wants a professional-grade, comprehensive grooming arsenal without the professional price tag, the One-a-Sol Dog Vacuum and Dryer doesn't just meet expectations, but becomes the central hub for all your pet's grooming needs. Finally, for targeted power and portability, we have the Dog Dryer Handheld Pet Hair Dryer. This is the tool for precision drying, spot cleaning, or for pets who simply won't tolerate a large box. Its 3-horsepower high-velocity motor is remarkably powerful, yet housed in a lightweight and quiet design. With 3 speed settings and 4 temperature options, you have complete control to dry your pet comfortably and efficiently. It comes with 3 nozzles for different tasks and is portable enough for travel. Whether you're finishing up after the dryer box, quickly drying paws after a walk, or need a reliable tool for mobile grooming, this handheld dryer provides premium, direct performance that gives you ultimate control. From the stress-free automatic dryer boxes to the hair-banishing grooming vacuums and the precise handheld dryer, each of these tools solves a different pain point in pet care. The right equipment gives you back your time, your clean floors, and your peace of mind. Check the links in the description for the best prices on these top-rated pet grooming tools and make every grooming session a better experience for you and your pet.